All right, I just got this. It's an LED desk lamp, 180-degree unfold, touch switch, no flicker. Yeah, it looks pretty self-explanatory. You do get directions. Let's put those over there. Wow, you got a power block with it. That's kind of cool. It's all wrapped up. Let's get that off of there. And looks like you've got a USB to USB-C. Bam, done. All right, let's set those over here. Let's go ahead and get the lamp out and look at it. It's all, wow, it's heavy. It's heavy. And I got to figure out how to get it out of this stuff. Okay, there's that. I think it's going to be awesome. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh my God, this thing is unbelievable. So I had to do it this way. Here she is. Look at this. Wow, it's nice. And let's take a look at it. I'm going to flip it over. All right, so here are the lights, the LED lights. All right, and this bends so you can get different, angles on it. And then you come down here, and it's got explanations of what you're supposed to do. All right, so to plug it in, we've got to unhook all this stuff. Bam, done. Now, I can use the block, right? Or, let's see how long this is. This is pretty long. Of course, I got to get it untangled. All right, so here we are. So you guys can see how long it is. It's about 4 feet long. So you've got some flexibility with it, but I'm sure it's going to be close enough to your power source on your table. But let's go ahead and set it up and see what we think. All right, if we're going to plug it in using the block, we just go ahead and go like this and then shove it into an outlet. So I'm gonna do that now. All right, so let's set that there. And then on here, if you look on the very back, you've got a USB here, and you've got a USB-C. So let's just put the USB-C in. Okay, and we're just gonna set her down here for now. And I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in the wall over here. Now let's go ahead and we'll just turn it on, right? Here's the power. Bam. Not bad, huh? And this, look at this. Check that out. So you can move these in different directions. Is that cool or what? So let's go ahead, however you want to do it. Let's check this one out here, if we can change it. Look at all the colors. Let's check this out. Oh, there's a side light. Look at that. And this is a timer. So you can time it for 60 minutes. But that's pretty awesome, huh? Now this, I don't know if we want to pull this off or not, but I guess we could. Oh yeah, we're good. So we still have our little things here, look. And when I go like this, I can change the the intensity. That is a pretty awesome product, I gotta say. Here's more intensity, less. More, less. Let's try the different modes. Wow, that's cool, huh? I like it. I think it's going to be awesome. I'm going to put it on my desk right now. I think this also turns. So you can do, look at that. If you want to do behind, this is going to work great. Yeah, I highly recommend this thing. This thing is awesome. Yeah, very cool. Look at that. You can go behind. Look at this. You want to do it that way? You can do that. Look at this. You can change. You got all these different options on this thing. It's pretty amazing. Look at this. Look at these options. It's got a lot of ways to do it. Look at that. Look at this. Wow, you can't beat that. That's got a lot of flexibility in it. Just a lot of flexibility. Let's go through it again. So here you are. You can have them together like that, all the way up. You can bring them out like that and spread out your light. You can bring it straight down. You can bring it down this way. You can flip it around. You can, look at this. I mean, if you want to do up lighting, this is super flexible. This is going to be a great tool for creators. I highly recommend this thing. And you can change the warmth. You can make it cold or warmer. You can do the intensity here. Yeah, this is a great product. Strongly recommend it. Strongly recommend it. Let me show you down here closer. So here we are. All right, so here is, this is going to give you a good feel for it. Look, watch. When I press this, it changes. See, this is the coldest, right? And then you can bring it down this way. You got to kind of get on this side of it to bring it down. This is your on and off, right? So it's off, now it's on. Intensity up, change the temperature, right? Bring the intensity down a little bit. Now you've got your side lights here. You can do both of them at the same time, and you can turn it off. And right here is it turns off in 60 minutes if you press this. So we'll leave that off. But look at this thing. It is pretty awesome, isn't it? Lots of flexibility with this bad boy. Lots of flexibility. I think this is going to work great. All right, so I've connected my light right here. I put it right behind this. And here's the power source. I can click it on and it lights up. We can do bring up our temperature here. Let me go ahead and back it up a little bit. So here it is. It's daylight today, so, but anyway, it looks good, man. We can change the temperature of it. We can change the intensity, right? And we can turn these on if we're looking for something on the side of it. Yeah, or you just want to make it look cool. And that's it right there, bam. Bob's your uncle. And I think that's gonna work nice. Oh yeah. This is my workstation, by the way. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.